A Utah district judge has issued a ruling that could reshape the state's congressional map for the 2026 midterms, sparking a national debate over redistricting. The decision stems from the state's Republican-controlled legislature overruling a 2020 ballot measure that aimed to limit partisan gerrymandering. This ruling adds another layer to the ongoing fight over how congressional districts will be drawn ahead of the 2026 elections. As multiple states consider their own redistricting plans, Republicans argue they have a narrow edge in the U.S. House, with Texas Republicans pushing for a rare, mid-decade redistricting effort to secure up to 5 more GOP seats. Their plan, approved by the Texas Senate, highlights the growing tension between state legislatures and federal oversight. Meanwhile, California's Democratic-led legislature passed its own redistricting proposals, urging voters to temporarily redraw lines to create 5 more Democratic-leaning districts. Other states are also contemplating similar moves, raising questions about the role of state governments in shaping electoral boundaries. In Utah, a long-standing legal battle over a 2018 ballot initiative created an independent redistricting commission. But recent court rulings have left uncertainty about whether new maps will be approved for the midterms. The Salt Lake Tribune reported that Utah's legislators may appeal the decision to state courts, even the U.S. Supreme Court, citing the 2018 ballot measures provisions requiring approval of proposed maps and banning partisan gerrymandering. Judge Diana M. Gibson, in her 76-page ruling, criticized the legislator for stripping away the core of the 2018 reform, arguing that redistricting is more than line drawing. It challenges the foundation of democracy. She emphasized that district boundaries determine voting rights, equal protection, and constitutional promises. The ruling bars Utah from proceeding with future elections under current maps, forcing the legislature to create a remedial map within 30 days. Utah, a heavily Republican state, saw a 20-point margin of support for President Donald Trump in the 2020 election, with its House delegation consisting of 4 Republicans. However, Salt Lake County, home to over a third of the state's population, leans Democratic, with the county backing Vice President Kamala Harris by 10 points last year. The current map divides the county into 4 districts, reflecting the state's strong Republican alignment. This case underscores the broader conflict between state legislatures and federal oversight, as well as the evolving nature of redistricting laws. As the 2026 elections approach, the outcome of this legal battle will shape the political landscape of the U.S., with critics arguing that state-level redistricting should be left to voters, while others contend that legislative decisions are essential to maintaining fair representation.